Well, hello, this is Dr. George Bobbitt.
And I'm Kimberly Bobbitt.
We are inspired to invite you to our upcoming seminar on love and hate and how balancing and neutralizing our emotions can help us physically and mentally and socially and familially and many other ways. But I wanted to ask you, hun, why would somebody spend a couple hours on a weekend, because you're a health coach, so how somebody investing time into understanding how unbalanced emotions can impact their life, how would they benefit from coming to this?
Well, from a health standpoint, it is so beneficial when you are able to balance your emotions. What happens is when we're feeling a certain emotion, say hate or disdain or anger, we start to, physiologically, our body changes, our body chemistry changes, and we start to flood hormones that then affect our cortisol levels, which can lead us to become what we call metabolically busted, where our metabolism just isn't functioning, it's not working, all because of an unbalanced emotion. So what we're doing in this event is bringing to you what's called Dr. Fleet's Rays of the Dawn, and it lets you look at these two emotions and neutralize those polarities and bring them into balance so that you're no longer running on imbalanced systems. You're balancing those systems so that you can then lead more of a balanced life of health, happiness, peace, and you're less what we call polar or less extreme in those emotions.
Yeah, it's important that I want people to understand is 80%, minimally 80% of our concerns, our health concerns, our dis-eases, our pathologies are a direct result of how our mind and how our psychology, when it gets too far one way or too far the other way, creates sickness.
Dis-ease.
But people, they think they understand that, but most of our healthcare profession doesn't treat that.
Right.
So I thought, what a better way to start educating our patients and our clients and friends on how balancing their emotions can make them healthier and how they can have a tool or a resource to assist them when they need it.
Yeah, and so many times I think we're looking for someone to save us or a doctor to fix us, and it really comes down to ourselves. It's a do-it-yourself proposition. We're giving you the tools to be able to help yourself. It's not always perfect, but it's a tool. It's a tool in your toolbox to be able to help yourself balance your emotions, think clearer, and not be so reactive to the world around us. And the cool thing is this is for everybody. It's for the entire family. It's a family event, and we're excited to bring the whole family together. So we'll have a session for the adults, a session for kiddos at the same time, and here in our office in Mansfield, but we'll also be online. So if you can't make it to the office, wherever you are in the country or around the world, we have people that follow us from some international locations as well. So we would love to have you join us next Saturday, February the 8th, 10 a.m. Central Time.
Yep, and so we look forward to seeing you there. If you have questions, reach out. There's plenty of data below to help you get started.
All right, thank you.
We'll see you then.